Hi everyone, how to solve this nice and wonderful exponential equation, that is 10 raised to power a plus 100 raised to power a is equal to 1000 raised to power a. Now here first of all we will divide all the terms in this equation by 10 raised to power a by this term. So this will become 10 raised to power a. Also divide this term by 10 raised to power a. Also divide this term by 10 raised to power a. Now here we will cancel this 10 raised to power a with this 10 raised to power a, and here in this second term and the term in the right hand side we will use an exponential math property to out the power from the numerator and denominator. So here we will use this exponential property in these two terms. A raised to power m divided by b raised to power m can also be written as a by b whole raised to power m. So using this exponential property here in these two terms, this will become, here only 1 is left, plus this will become 100 by 10 raised to power a is equal to 1000 divided by 10 raised to power a. Now here we will simplify these two numbers. So here we will cancel this 10 with this 0 and this 10 with this 0. So this will become 1 plus, here only 10 is left, 10 raised to power a is equal to, and here 100 is left, so it will become 100 raised to power a. Now next we will try to make this term like this one, 10 raised to power a. So for that we will change this 100 to its exponential form, 10 raised to power 2, and then we will replace 2 with a. So 1 plus 10 raised to power a is equal to, we can write 100 as 10 raised to power 2 whole raised to power a. And here we will replace these two powers according to an exponential math property. So this will become 1 plus 10 raised to power a is equal to, it will become 10 raised to power a whole square. And here these two bases are same, 10 raised to power a, 10 raised to power a. So here we will make a supposition. So let us suppose, let this 10 raised to power a is equal to another variable, let us suppose x. So we will replace 10 raised to power a in this equation with x in the next step. So this will become 1 plus x is equal to x square. Next we will move this equation, this left hand side to the right hand side. So this will become x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Now here we cannot solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. So here we will use the quadratic formula to find the roots of this quadratic equation. And to use the quadratic formula, first we will write the values of a, b and c. So the value of a is 1, the value of b is -1, and the value of c is the constant term which is -1. And the quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now let us substitute the values of a, b, c here in the right hand side. So this will become minus b, the value of b is -1, plus minus square root of b is -1 square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now let us simplify the numerator and denominator. Negative is positive, so it will become +1 plus minus square root of -1 square is +1. Remember that when there is a even power or a negative sign, so by multiplying negative sign even times gives him positive, so it is +1 and here negative times negative is positive, and 4 times 1 is 4 divided by 2 times 1 is 2. So next it will become 1 plus minus square root of, it will become square root of 5 divided by 2. And here we have two possible values of x. So these values are, the first one is 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, and the second value is x is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. And here we will go back to our supposition, that is x is equal to 10 raised to power a. So here in both the terms, in both the equations, we will replace x with 10 raised to power a. So this will become, now we will do the remaining steps here. The last two equations was where we will replace x with 10 raised to power a. So the first equation is 10 raised to power a is equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, and the second equation is 10 raised to power a is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now here first of all we will solve this one equation. Now here for any real number a, 10 raised to power a is always positive if we calculate it and we try some number, so this is always positive. Now if we calculate the value of square root of 5 which is greater than 1, it is something to find something value. So the subtraction of 1 minus square root of 5 gives him a negative value, so this whole number will give him a negative number. So we know that in mathematics a positive number cannot be equal to a negative number. So here we will reject to find out this equation and find out the solution. Here we will only solve this one equation. Now here, how can we find the value of a from such an equation? From such equation we can only calculate the value of a using logarithm. So let us take common log on both sides. So this will become log of 10 raised to power a is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now here we will use a logarithm property and we will move this power to the front of log. So this will become a times log of 10 is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now here this is a common log and we know that a common log has always a base 10, and we also know that log of any number with the same base is always equal to 1. If this number may be 10, maybe 5, maybe 4 and maybe 1. So here this log of 10 with base 10 is equal to 1. So we will replace this by 1 and multiplying 1 with a gives him a. So this will become a is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. So finally a is equal to log of 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 is our answer and solution of this nice and wonderful exponential equation. And last, if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.